Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a super heavenly chocolate dessert. Let's see how to make this chocolate pudding cake. Let's start the recipe. Sift in some all-purpose flour, baking powder and some cocoa powder into a large bowl. This recipe can also be called as a one-pot recipe because we are mixing, sifting, baking everything in this one large bowl. Now add in some sugar and mix everything really well. Now let's add the wet ingredients. Add some warm milk, melted butter. You can also use a flavorless vegetable oil. Mix it really well. Smooth the batter. Now the next ingredient is just optional. A handful of chocolate chips. Then into another bowl add some hot water. Add sugar and some cocoa powder. Mix it. Add some vanilla essence and pour this mixture on top of the cake batter. Now bake this in a 170-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. And later you can see the cake has baked and rised up and the chocolate sauce is at the bottom of the pan. Now let's cut a square piece from it. Pour some chocolate sauce on top and add a large scoop of ice cream on top and just dig in. So do try out this amazing chocolate recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.